Welcome to this Codesys tutorial. Today we'll build one of the most fundamental PLC programs, the Start-Stop program. You'll learn how the Start button turns the motor on and, more importantly, how the Stop button turns it off. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PLC tutorials. Let's dive in. In this video lesson, you will add the stop button to stop the motor. Open the project template and go to PLC PRG. In the ladder logic program and in the ST program, I have added X stop button variable. This is a Boolean variable. Now you will modify the ladder logic program. Go to the first network in the PLC PRG, right mouse click on the middle rung, and here just choose Insert Negated Contact option. This is the symbol of normally closed contact. In the three question marks, just type letters XS and choose on the keyboard Ctrl plus space. Here you have a drop-down list with the list of variables. Here choose X stop button variable. Your simple program modification is ready. Now go to Online tab, click on Login, and download the program to the PLC memory. And right now just start the program. The NC contact X stop button is shown with a diagonal line across it. In its default state, when you are not pressing the stop button, the contact is closed, meaning current logic signal can flow through it. Let's start the motor, so prepare the true value to X start button and write this value by choosing Ctrl plus F7 keyboard shortcut on the keyboard. The motor is on. Okay, now let's write the false value to X start button variable, and the motor is still on in our latching circuit. Now let's write the true value to X stop button variable. I write the true value to the stop button. This is the simulation of pressing the stop button. When you press the stop button, the contact opens, breaking the circuit and turning off the motor. Congrats! Now you know how to use the stop button in latching circuit to stop the motor. Now let's go to the modification of the structured text program. By the way, if you'd like to master Codesys step by step from basics to advanced industrial applications, check out our complete Codesys course on the Control Byte platform. You'll find the link in the description below. Go to Online tab, click on Logout. Now let's go to the first line of the structured text program and let's add the left parenthesis before X start button and the right parenthesis after X motor variable. After that, let's add AND keyword, and here just type X stop button variable. Remember, this is a negated contact, that's why we will add not keyword. This is a radiological condition for our program. Now, go to Online tab and click on Login. Click on Login with Download or just download the program, and right now click on the Start button and start the program. Let's write a true value to the Start button and the motor is on. When we write the false value to the Start button, the motor is still on, and when we write a true value to the Stop button, the motor is off. Let's compare two programs. To write program in structured text, you need to know specific keywords like OR, logical gate, AND, logical gate, and also negation keyword, not to negate contacts. In ladder logic, to create logical gates, you need to use just normally open contacts and normally closed contacts. Congrats! Now you can simulate a stop button to stop a motor. Now I will show you how it works on a physical hardware. Let's test ladder logic diagram. I will push the start button and the motor is on. When I push the stop button, the motor is off. Now let's test the structured text program. I will push the start button one single time, and the logical condition in the program is fulfilled and the motor is on. On the right side we have the variable for a stop button, and in the normal state, this is a normally closed contact, in the normal state this variable has a value of true. When I press the stop button, this variable has a value of false and the motor is off. Let's start it once again and push the stop button, the motor is off. That's all for this lesson. Now we know how to use the stop button in ladder logic diagram and in structured text programming. Let's go to the next lesson. And that's it, the start-stop motor control in Codesys, written in both ladder logic and structured text language. Remember, the stop button is just as important as the start button. Without it, your machine would never stop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment if you'd like to see more real-world PLC examples. And if you want to keep learning, check the link to our full Codesys course at Control Byte platform. See you in the next video.